English Reader, Class 3rd, Lesson 10, Rip Van Winkle. Summary: Rip Van Winkle was a lazy man. He slept the whole day. His wife tried her best to get Rip Van Winkle to take up a job. When he did get up a job, he was asked to leave because he slept too much. So in this chapter we will learn the character about Rip Van Winkle, who was a lazy man and he does not want to do any kind of work. So his wife tried her best to get up a job, and when he joined the job he was asked to leave because he slept too much. So again one day his wife informed about the another job, and without informing anyone he ran up the mountain with his companion, his dog. One day he was tired of his wife telling him to get up a job. He did not give any answer and ran up the mountain with his companion, his dog. As he was moving upwards, one funny looking man asked for help, but first he refused, but again he thought after helping the old man he will rest. So he and the funny looking man walked down to a cave in the mountain below stream. So when he was moving upwards towards the mountain, one funny looking man, he asked for help. First he refused, but later on, after thinking, he thought that he will help the old man and after that he will rest. So he walked down towards the cave below the stream. There he saw that all the men dipped their mugs into the barrel, and it was a sweet drink. Rip Van Winkle also dipped his mug 3 times and fell asleep. So when they reached to the cave, he saw that all the men dipped their mugs into the container, the barrel, and in that container there was a sweet drink. So same Rip Van Winkle also dipped his mug 3 times because that drink was uh, good in taste, and after that he fell asleep. After he woke up, he called his companion, but no response was there. When he returned back to his village, everything was changed. None of the faces was recognized by him. So after waking up, and he called his companion dog, but no response was there. So he alone returned to the village. After coming to the village, he saw that everything has changed and no one can recognize him. He asked about Schooner, the headmaster of the school, and came to know that he died. Next he asked about Van Dammel. He also died 18 years ago. Then again he asked the crowd about himself. Then one woman replied that yes, he was his father. Rip Van Winkle was overjoyed that he met with his daughter. Rip Van Winkle had indeed slept for 21 years. So when he returned to his village, to the crowd he asked that what happened to the schooner, where is the headmaster? So crowd answered that he died long years ago. Then next he asked about Van Dammel. Then also the crowd answered that he also died 18 years ago back. So now next he asked about himself. So from the crowd one woman replied that yes, he was my father, and he went up to the mountain with his dog. His dog came back but he never returned. So Rip Van Winkle was happy, and he answered the woman that he is the father and he is the Rip Van Winkle. So that woman also overjoyed and they both hugged each other. And Rip Van Winkle slept for 21 years after having that sweet drink. Word meaning: avoid, to save oneself from doing something. Barrel, a large round container made of wood or metal. Cave, a large hole in a hill. Exercise, physical exercise. Gathered, came together in one place to form a group. Ignored, paid no attention. Job, work for which one receives payment. Answer the question. First, whom did Rip Van Winkle meet on the mountain? Answer. Rip Van Winkle met a funny looking man on the mountain. Second, whom did Rip Van Winkle call after waking up? Answer. Rip Van Winkle called his dog, but there was no response. Third, what happened to Van Dammel? Answer. Van Dammel had died 18 years ago. Fourth, which incident in the story tells that Rip Van Winkle was a kind man? Answer. Rip Van Winkle was a kind man as he agreed to help the man with the barrel. Fifth, why did Rip Van Winkle feel that the village had changed? Answer. He felt that the village had changed because he was not able to recognize it and he could not see any familiar faces. Sixth, why was Rip Van Winkle overjoyed? Answer. He was overjoyed because he found his daughter amongst all the strangers whom he could not recognize in the village. Seventh, do you think being lazy is good or bad? Why? Answer. Being lazy is bad because we become dull and inactive. We are not able to finish our work on time. Riddle box given on page 84. First, what hides from the moon and stars? Answer. Sun. Second, what has 4 legs but cannot walk? Answer. Chair. Third, where do elephants keep their things? Answer. Trunks. Fourth, what has an eye but can never see? Answer. Needle. Fifth, what goes up and down but never moves? Answer. Staircase. Sixth, what has a face, 2 arms but no body? Answer. Clock. Fill in the blanks with suitable opposite adjectives given on page 86. First, a big genie came out of a dash bottle. Small. Second, the shirt is dash but the pants are dry. Wet. Third, the rabbit was fast but the tortoise was dash. Slow. Fourth, Shanti has finished reading the thick book but the dash book is lying untouched. Thin. Fifth, Cinderella's mother was cruel but her father was dash. Kind. Sixth, the box you are carrying is light. The one that I am carrying is dash. Heavy. Fill in the blanks with the correct adjectives, comparative or superlative given on page 88. First, Ramya is dash than Ranjit. Taller. Second, today is the dash day of the season. Coldest. Third, Neena is a dash girl. Naughty. Fourth, Geeta is dash, Sangeeta is dash, but Rani is the dash of the 3. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Fifth, Somil is as dash as Ankush. Lazy. So with this, complete all the exercises in your book as well as in your copy and learn it properly. Thank you.